During the tenure of Salt Lake City Mayor Ralph Becker's administration, sustainability has been the lens through which all policy decisions are reviewed. The sustainability of Salt Lake City is made up of 10 key priorities that have been identified as critical to the long-term livability of our community. They are energy conservation and renewable energy, air quality and climate change, mobility and transportation, water quality and conservation, recycling and waste reduction, open space, urban forestry, food production and security, community health and safety, and housing accessibility and diversity. Through these key areas, positive change has been effected in the long-term livability of Salt Lake City, and the community our children inherit will be stronger for it. One recent victory that has become a pride of the city is our focus on making Salt Lake City a more bike-friendly place. With a focus on complete streets to accommodate as many alternative modes of transportation as possible, we have transformed our roadways, adding light rail and bike trails throughout the city. In fact, we were one of the first cities in the country to add shared bike lanes to our downtown streets. Through federal grants and stimulus, we've been able to create an intermodal hub that brings thousands of visitors to the city by rail each day, and give them the option to explore the city via bus, light rail, or even to rent bicycles and bike to their destinations. This is just one example of the hundreds of efforts we're making through strong leadership, partnerships with citizens and industry, and a singular focus on making this city a better place to live for us and our children.